Alright folks, it's Meatball again. We're going to be talking about something pretty interesting as far as food reviews go. This is a bag of Nongshim Banana Kick. So this is from, you can get this in Hawaii, or you can probably get it from the Asian snack section. If you have a local Asian snack shop, you could probably find these here. I'm looking forward to trying this out. It looks really good. Open her up and see. Also, they're puffed banana flavored. Yeah, they're puffed banana flavored like snacks.
Banana Cheetos. Is it alright? Is it weird?
It's good. Yeah, it is artificial. Yeah, it's banana flavored. It's artificial. It's artificial flavoring. But you know what? It is good. Yeah, you get a decent amount for one bag, and it's one serving. A little high in sugar, but they're good.
That's banana kick for you. It's the banana part, but then it kicks you in the butt with some sugar.
Mm-hmm.
You're like, come on, banana. Leave me alone.
Yeah, it's always like cheese or chocolate, but banana is good. As far as snacks that we review, yeah, definitely good flavor. Yeah, these are actually almost addicting. I could maybe eat 2 bags of these. Go out for a movie, sneak these into the theater. You just hear someone in the back going,
Banana kick.
oh yeah, banana. When you eat one, you kick the seat in front of you.
It's a banana. I could see you wearing like a glow-in-the-dark banana t-shirt while you're eating these. So they're trying to watch the movie and they can see you glowing.
Alright, that was Banana Kick. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave us a comment. We'd really appreciate it. I'd be happy to review more stuff like this, because this was a real treat. Alright, thanks everybody.
And it's always summer back in Alabama, and I miss you.
Yeah! My hair's too short to have hair.
Yeah, it's always summer back in Alabama.